Sunlight doesn't stuff your nose with dust. It hacks your sneeze circuit. Bright light slams your eyes, and the optic nerve fires a rapid, "whoa, brightness" signal. Right beside it sits the trigeminal nerve that guards your nose. In about 1 in 4 people, those wires cross. Your brain misreads light as tickle. Cue the reflex. Chest squeezes, vocal cords snap, and ACHOO rockets irritants, real or imagined, out at 160 km/h. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, aka ACHOO syndrome, and it often runs in families. So next time sunshine makes you blast off, remember,